Hello everybody, I am super excited making this video because I have got my hands on to three different types of noodles and believe me they look amazing. I have not yet started making them, but I've got them, and let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. I've got these noodles from Nutty Fresh and they deliver. I will give you the details at the end of the video. And let me tell you, there are three different kind of noodles. One is keto noodles, so all those people who are on high fat, it's for them. I've got quinoa and I've got jowar. I keep looking for options because my daughter loves noodles and I would want to make something healthy rather than just making things or buying things which are made out of maida for her. So I want to mix it with good amount of veggies. So let's not wait for long. I will also show you the cover and the ingredients part of all the three noodles, so you can look at it, and if you want you can go and pick it up. So let's not waste further time. Let's get on to it. Please do subscribe and like my channel and press the bell button for future notifications. Thank you so much. So let's get on to it. Okay, so let me take you one by one. Let's start with quinoa here. Okay, so this is Nutty Fresh. They have given their number, whom to contact for the delivery, and believe me, I ordered it yesterday night and today morning it came. So the delivery is pretty fast. They are there on Facebook and Insta also, so you can check them out before ordering. Quickly, let me take you to the ingredients. It says gluten-free, fat or oil-free, fiber-rich, protein, no preservative. They have very clearly mentioned here that they are 80% main ingredient is jowar, 20% they have added a gluten-free flour, which is rice flour, and they have added pink Himalayan salt to this. They have also mentioned how to go about making it. So that's about jowar. This is the one without name. So this is the keto noodle. It says keto noodles. So again, it says gluten-free, oil-free, fiber-rich, protein-rich, and there are no preservatives added to this. And it mainly has almond flour, then psyllium husk, flaxseed, sunflower seeds, coconut flour, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds, and resistant starch. So I think they don't have any other flour added to this other than almond. And again, they have mentioned how to go about making it. This is the third one. This is the jowar. Again, it says the same thing. If you look at the ingredient part, 80% is main jowar that they have put, and 20% is again gluten-free flour, which is they have used rice flour. So I'm going to make them separately, and I'm going to tell you how three of them tasted.
These are the basic vegetables that I've taken. You can include more. Main aim is to just show you the end result of these noodles. So these are the basic ones. I have used red chili sauce, soya sauce, green chili, and vinegar. Method is simple as others. So the water is boiling. I'm just going to add the noodles to this. First I'm going with keto noodles. I've just broken it into half, and I'm just putting it inside. Once this is let this cook. Meanwhile, in a pan, I'm just going to take the spring onions first. I'll take the leaf a little later. Fried them nicely. I have used olive oil here. Once this is done, I'll slowly add all the veggies to the pan. Again, let me just quickly tell you that this is not a sponsored video. I've literally bought these. It is delivered. There's a minimal delivery charges to it, and they deliver all over the country. So do try them out. I mean, the outcome, I really loved it. So you have to try these out for yourselves and see. I'm just going to add little salt. I've taken around 2 teaspoons of salt. As I'm going to add soya sauce later, I'm not adding too much sauce, too much of salt right now. A little bit of black pepper powdered, around 2 teaspoons. I'm adding the capsicum. I have yellow and green capsicum. I couldn't manage the red one, so you can add that. You can add mushrooms. My noodles are getting cooked. Meanwhile, my this mixture is getting ready. Once all the vegetables nicely mixed, I'm going to close the lid and leave it for some time. And once you think it's all nicely done, just add all the sauces together. So I've taken 2 teaspoons of each sauce. I've mixed it and I've added it to the vegetables here. Mix it well. And meanwhile, our noodles are done, so I'm just going to strain that. The keto noodles are pretty thick, so they're thick and they're broad comparatively. That's the difference that I noticed. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this veggie mix in a separate pan, and I'm going to add my keto noodles to this and mix it well. That's it, our keto noodles are ready. I really like the texture of the noodles here. This is my jowar noodles. Again, the same thing I have repeated. I've boiled them, strained them. The only difference here is jowar, they are a little thinner in texture. So I should have removed it a little earlier compared to my keto noodles. Finally, this is my quinoa. I've added it to the rest of the veggies which was there in the pan, and I'm going to mix it well. Let me tell you, I bought all these 3 from Nutty Fresh. You will soon find their number attached to it. I simply love the outcome. These are my keto noodles. They came out so beautiful. I've topped it with egg, and the texture was beautiful. I simply loved it. You also please go ahead and try them. It's worth a try, let me tell you. These are my quinoa noodles. I've topped it with cottage cheese, and these are my jowar. All my family members really loved it. So I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and stay safe.